Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of compact bone for practical and slide identification. There are four identification points of compact bone. Number one, characteristics lamella of bone matrix, and number two, Haversian system present. Number 3, osteocyte in lacunae. Number 4, Volkmann canal are present. On my YouTube channel, you can find general histology, special histology, slide detail video and identification points video. Because first I upload the slide detail video, then I upload the identification points of same video. If you like my video, press the like button and share this video with your friends. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel and open the all notification by pressing the bell icon. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.